Okay, so a lot of people have questions about how to start a business. A lot of people use companies like LegalZoom or a consultant or an accountant or some other company that charges you to set up an LLC, to get a tax ID number, things like that. And the reality is, in most states, it is a lot cheaper than what you guys are probably paid in the past or plan on paying. You can do it yourself online very easily, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So if you take a look at my screen, every state has a different Secretary of State website or website that you can go to create an LLC, right? So for Maryland, for example, that's where I'm based. Um, Maryland LLC create. So when you search Google, you'll see LegalZoom is a sponsored ad. It's the first thing that pops up. Zen Business, Maryland.gov, register your business online. So I happen to know that it's Maryland Business Express, but let's go to the .gov website. Right, so it brings you to the Maryland Business Express. Always use a .gov website. That is where you can go. So you can create an account for free right here. I'm just going to go ahead and log into mine. Okay, so when you log in, different things will pop up. Online filings, the different businesses you have, ordered documents, right? So if you want to start a new filing, you would just select Start a New Filing, New Business Filing. Register a new business, right? You can also register a trade name or what have you, right? Is it going to be a sole prop, general partnership, an LLC, closed corporation, stock corporation, tax exempt, etc., right? So most people, they want to start an LLC, especially when starting out. It's just better on taxes rather than doing a sole prop. So it's always best to use the online forms rather than printing them, having to fill them out and submit them that way. It's way quicker to do it online. So at this next point, you're just searching for your business. What do you want your legal business name to be? Let's say I want it to be Java Media Design. Okay. And I want it to be Java Media Design LLC. So I would select the suffix and search names. Now it's going to search the state of Maryland to see if somebody has already got that name. If that name is already taken, it will let you know that name's taken, and it'll give you options for similar names, or you can change it altogether and search. Then you're just putting in your information. Okay, you're just putting in all your information. At the end, you can either order a business license, just the articles of organization or incorporation, which you will need to then go to the bank and create a business, to open a business bank account. You'll need those articles. So I think it's about $125 to be able to create an LLC and get those articles of incorporation to be able to then go to the bank and open a business bank account. Now, once you've created your LLC, you've paid for it. It's about $125. You can expedite it for, I think, $300, so you have it the next day. The articles, that is. But your LLC is registered right away, and you can start operating as that LLC right out the gate. Now, to get a tax ID number or EIN, how do you do that? So let's just go to Google. Register or apply for EIN. Right, so first we've got some .com website, right, where they're going to upcharge you, or right there, irs.gov, apply for an EIN number, which is also known as tax ID number, and it is very simple, okay? Submit your application, apply online now, right? So begin the application. Very simple. Are you a sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, LLC? We are an LLC, right? We just created the LLC, and now we're creating an LLC on the EIN irs.gov to get our tax ID number, right? How many members, right? Let's say you're a single member LLC in the state of Maryland. Continue, And we are going to continue here. We started a new business. Did we hire employees, banking purposes, whatever, right? We started a new business. You're going to put your first name, last name, social, right? You don't have a tax ID number yet, right? So social or ITIN, right? If you're not a citizen, you don't have a social, you'll have an ITIN number, right? So once you put in all this information, let me just show you the next screen so I can show you how easy it is. Gonna make up a social. I am one of the owners. I'm not a third party creating it for somebody else, right? So obviously the social didn't match, so it won't let you. But what it does, it asks you questions about the business, and then you check out. I think it's about $100. It might even be less. And right away, you can print your EIN letter with your tax ID number on it and start utilizing that to open up bank accounts, apply for a loan, whatever you may want to do with that business. So, like, comment, share. If you have additional questions, feel free to ask me in the comments or send me an email to info@versabusinesssystems.com. We specialize in business loans and credit card processing, and our goal is to help as many business owners as possible. Right? So if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out. Our direct number is 410-864-8034. Catch you on the next video.